B-Bow 6. So that's signs ahead.
I have no power.
Okay, stand by.
No power.
Okay, Max, stand by. Could I fail 21, fail 21, please?
No power.
Okay, stand by. Fail 77, fail 77, fail.
Nothing works.
Fail Alpha 8, A8, if you can.
No, for fuck's sake! Fuck!
Okay, Hamilton coming through behind. Hamilton coming through.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, the next one is Russell at 6 seconds. Russell at 6. Now at 3. And 2.
Come on, let's try to fix this issue.
Next car is Ocon. No. So all cars have now completed their lap times.
No information, nothing.
It's not a place to give you details on the radio, Max. I'm sure you understand that. We tried to resolve it on track. It was unsuccessful.
It's not even going in neutral. What should I do?
We're happy for you to kill the engine.